At first we need to find the setting application from our iPad. So I'm going to find this, and here I see the settings application is there. We just need to tap on the settings, and very shortly settings window will be open. Now left side we'll see a sidebar with lots of different options and menus, and we also see our Apple account information is there. So if we click here, it will open like this. So here we see this is my Apple account name, and next to it the Apple account um, or like iCloud email address. And to check the total used space of our iCloud, we have to scroll till we find the iCloud option is there. So iCloud is the main option, and here we see like 5 GB. So this is initially showing the total space which is allocated for me. I'm using the free iCloud account, that's why it is 5 GB, which is default for any Apple ID or iCloud account, something like that. So to expand this, we just need to tap it over there, and very shortly it will be expanded like this way. So here it is showing iCloud and the account name, and next to it it has the storage. And here there is a graphical look like this is the total space, and I am using this green portion space out of this space, and these are empty like that. And here it is showing like 5 GB, and I am using almost 1 GB of space out of 5 GB. And to check more details, we can tap it over there, and very shortly it will open and the details. And here initially it is showing the total percentage for each section which is used by this iCloud space. So here it is showing like iCloud Drive is 19%, and rest of the space is used by different application like mail, notes, voice, image, photos. So right now I don't have any photos over here, that's why it is not showing, but you will see most of the time the photos area will take most of the space. And if we scroll, we'll see the details of each of the application which is taking how much space. Like iCloud Drive, it is using like almost 1 GB, then mail 34, then notes 3, and video memo 600 kilobyte, almost like that. And here also others applications which are used, it will also list all of them. And in this way we can easily check the total iCloud space for my Apple account. And if this 5 GB is not enough for me, then we can also purchase. To purchase the space, we can buy from here, get more space. If we tap it over there, Apple will give us different options like 5 GB, sorry, not 5 GB, 50 GB, which is almost $1 per month, and then 200 GB, 2 TB, 6 TB, and 12 TB of space. And once you select one of the like storage space, storage basically these are the like subscription. So one of the subscription, if you choose one of them, and then if you press this upgrade to iCloud Plus, then it will ask you some details about to purchase like that way. Okay, and yeah, I'm not going to do this thing, I'm going to close this thing. So in this way you can actually choose one of the subscription which is available right now from Apple. I'm not going to buy now, but you can, after pressing this, you can buy. I'm going to press not now to close this window, and here is the menu screen. And that's it. In this way we can easily check the total used space by my iCloud Drive or something like that, or what is the total space I'm getting, and how much space is free, or which application is using how much space. We can check the details.